Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.